Hello everyone! Eleana's everything! I'm so happy with my friends! Cara! Oh, where is she? Oh my god! And Ifra! We are going to Farmer's Market! Okay, you'll see now. We are walking in Ocean Beach, San Diego. Yeah, Coral and Ifra. Hopefully it's not like us busy, but it's always busy. And tomorrow is Happy New Year's 2021. And yeah, walking San Diego. If you have any questions for us, walking. It's still not as cold, so we'll see. We are excited to do food time. Yes. We are hungry because we're from work. Yummy. It's Ocean Beach. Yep. What food are you thinking to buy?
Me?
Yeah,
I don't know.
there's a lot, right?
I'm just hungry.
When is the last time you've been in Farmer's
Oh.
Market?
Long time ago. Are you recording me?
Not really. Not really. There's nothing. I actually just like
Oh,
touch this.
please get my good side.
Right. Of course.
Oh,
How
let's
about-
cut.
Coral. No.
No cameras. No paparazzi.
Paparazzi. Oh my gosh. Coral, she actually like stay in Ocean Beach. She's always here. So yeah, I'm just happy. Coral is today with Ifra. Come out and enjoy the beautiful weather while picking up fresh produce, flowers, honey, fresh baked breads, and more at the Ocean Beach Farmers Market. Oh my gosh! Foodie! Bosnian Grill is the second time that I've been in Farmer's Market in Ocean Beach. Of course, with my friend Ifra. She wants to eat Mediterranean food. Of course, this is the food that I like and she loved too. Of course, it's the traditional Bosnian food, which is sefapi, gyros, baklava, and more. If you can see at the video, you can see the gyros sandwich, gyros plate, there's gyros salad, there's sefapi, of course, lamb and beef, chicken, because pork they can't. So yeah, this is a good food. Best gyros in town. Definitely, I'm a Filipino and I'm so excited because I saw there's a Filipino food here in Ocean Beach Farmers Market. Oh my gosh, if you can see, there's like barbecue chicken, there's barbecue pork, there's lumpia, of course, always Filipinos, not even Filipinos, every people wants to eat Filipino food. There's like lumpia. And there's of course veggie egg rolls, there is there are adobo, of course, there's pancit. Oh my gosh. It determines from the owner what wants to prepare, cook, and serve. This is the second time that I've been in farmers market here in San Diego. Well, the second time that I've been, which is you for me to vlog. So if you can look for some fresh products, and then of course if you wanna have good food, you need to visit farmers market. The location will be 4900 block of Newport Avenue between Cable and Bacon Streets in Ocean Beach. It will be Wednesdays only, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's like year-round. So, the Ocean Beach Farmers Market has something for everyone. This event boasts the same free-spirited and funky vibe that can be felt throughout this beachside community. Well, that's why I like it, because after that, if I'm going to buy food or if going buy like clothes, and if you're going some, you need homemade arts and crafts and live music to help set the tone for a fun and exciting evening out. The market is one-way market. Of course, the good for entry is in the Mallory's furniture parking lot located at the corner of Newport Avenue and Cable Street. Because of COVID, it should be limited to 85 customers within the market boundaries at any given time. We cannot have no backpacks. Of course, they said no pet allowed other than service animals, even if I see there's a lot of dogs.
Tapos yung gulay, 3 pieces, $4.
Yung veggie po, wala pong pork po. Yan, no?
Ha?
Yung sa veggie pong lumpia, wala pong...
Walang meat.
Walang meat.
Have you tried that?
No? Lumpia. This one, ha? Sige po.
Isang order na naman.
Apo. Veggie, apo. Tapos yung... Apo.
Yun lang po.
Saka... yes po.
Okay. Yes, oh, it's okay. I got it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow! Sweet.
Thank you. Salamat.
Time to pay for this one. I know the food. I want this one. Huh?
Alright. Barbecue chicken combo.
The second time I've been in this place, of course, I need to eat Chinese food in House of Bao. There are barbecue pork bun, steamed buns, pork belly, siomai. And I want to share that buns, as Asians or Filipinos, we said siopao, but we doesn't know siopao, so they said buns. I would say that authentic, but some Far Asian fusion dishes. Yummy!
Steamed buns.
1 chicken steam bun and a 6 chicken dumpling. 3 chicken steam bun and a 6 chicken dumpling, right?
Yes.
Anything else? Hello?
Yeah, that's good.
Any sauce for you?
The soy sauce? What kind of sauce do you have?
Spicy and non-spicy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she already put.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Sorry, can we do...
Can I get napkins?
Thank you.
Can I do like vegetable dumplings too?
So 6 chicken and 6 veggie.
6 and 6, yeah.
6 chicken dumpling, 6 veg dumpling, and the 3 chicken steamboat. Anything else?
Yes, good.
$20. 现在你给它分开一个 tray 装吧。我感觉它旁边那个人是。Do you mind put all dumpling in one tray or one separate?
Separate, yeah. For sure.
Can I get a small also?
Sorry, can you say what is this again?
This is a strawberry lemonade,
Okay. And this
a
one?
strawberry horchata,
This one.
and cucumber lemonade.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Life foods, which is I love it. That's Hawaiian food, which is the name Aloha Kaku. I want to share that it is a mobile food service owned and run slowly by Chef Maui, his wife Jen, and their son Ika. Well, if you can see from the video, they're there. I love Hawaiian food. Of course, there's like raw seafood, there's poke, there's Hawaiian greens, oh my gosh, tuna, sea urchin. Well, I never tried the urchin yet, but yeah, I like this food. am sharing OBMA. The OBMA is the Ocean Beach Main Street Association, which is comprised of area merchants and professionals dedicated to building a thriving business district that fulfills the needs of the neighboring communities and visitors alike. Of course, in Ocean Beach business, where there are like lodging, there's arts, cultural, entertainment, eats, of course, restaurant, shopping, specialty services, of course, there's like banks, financial institutions, health, beauty, spa, fitness, constructions, auto, motorcycles, pets, and there's more. That's why it is a really tourist location. Sometimes it's, of course, you need to have like the 6 apart because of COVID.
Time to eat! Kakain na kami!
Should have got a little bottle.
What?
I said we should have got some alcohol.
Oh my gosh.
Take a quick shot real quick.
Shot time! Shot!
Yeah. This beef out.
Nice. We're going to eat something. Oh my gosh. What is that? Hero. Cairo. Oh my god. Can you still hear me? Oh my god, we're at the beach. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can I see myself? Not really. I don't know. Perfect. Oh my god.
My mouth is not as big as this.
What?
My mouth is not as big as this.
Food time. Let's try this. What food is that? Bar Ooh, Filipino food. And how's yours?
Bomb as egg.
Gyro.
This is a gyro.
Gyro, yeah. Mine is like spam. Spam, no. This is for like Hawaiian, poke. And then I have Chinese food because it's the first time for them. And another one, lumpia para sa kanila. Lumpia, vegetable. Pancit. Pancit like a noodles. Yeah, pancit. And this is pork barbecue.
What is that made out of? The noodle.
The what?
The noodle, what is it made out of?
Oh, it's like a noodles, like a pancit noodles, and then you have like of course cooking oil and then pepper, salt. There's carrot. There is like beans, not beans, like a long beans. And then there's sometimes there's I forgot the name of that.
I'm literally part of the foil bag. Otherwise, it's so hard.
Someone is hungry, I know.
I gotta eat all day, man.
Oh yeah, that's true. This is so good. I like this vegetable. This is one. Sarap! Nasa beach kami. What? Talk some of the people from the ocean beach, which is the farmers market, which is not only in the ocean beach but outside. What do they do every Wednesday? It's like a tradition for them. Unfortunately, it's not the same because of course no music, and then of course no events, but I am just so thankful, and the people, more for the farmers, they still want to sell and to share the food that they have. Yay!
Too much food.
Chinese food. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then I spell. Oh my god. Where is it?
Probably get out of frame. I'm gonna smoke.
What? It's just smell. It's fine.
It's okay?
Yeah. It's not always. Yay. That's yours. Yours. And this mine. Try.
Are those twins over there?
Huh?
Twins?
Oh, feels it is. Oh yeah, it is. Buns.
Oh, not right now. I'm gonna
Later.
Yeah. This looks
Your
so
buns.
good. I've never had a bun. Ooh.
Yeah. This is Chinese chicken bun or xiaopao. Hopefully they can hear. Yeah, it's like the beach. Yeah. But I hope you don't eat the the
It
paper.
looks just like the paper.
Sometimes it's good because we have like a sauce, but this one, it's okay. No need to have it. chicken, no? That one. Chicken. Oh, you want, yeah, sometimes I like more of fried, you know? Swam. Spam.
There are plenty of unique ready-to-eat foods. Filipino food, of course, Turkish, Mediterranean, Vietnamese, there's Thai, Indian, East African, and several Mexican, Cuban, Italian, American barbecue, New American stalls, as well as snacks like popcorn and smoothie stalls. Well, I'm talking about paella, gyros, pizzas, pastas, lumpias, sambusas, spring rolls, sandwiches, burgers, wraps, tacos, tamales, and more. If you are vegan, there are must visits like Anthem's vegan, gluten-free desserts, Sprout garlic and Bibas foods like hummus and dips. Oh my gosh. If you can see in my video, of course you can see the low carb produce like fruits, veggies, herbs, plants, flowers, even orchids that I love. I always have it, especially foods like spices, paintings. Oh my gosh, there's a lot.
You wanna hear the word savage? I can come up with that word right now. I got that magic. Hey, and my brother just like me, he rapping, and he gonna make that happen. But I got a question for you. What's your message?
Hi! Hello! So, done from the farmer's market in Ocean Beach. How's the farmer's market, Efra? And
Awesome.
is it? Because you are tired. She is tired.
I'm really tired.
How's the food? What did you eat?
We ate some
Gyro.
gyro,
Uh-huh.
dumplings,
Yeah, and then
gyoza,
gyoza, yes,
And,
dumplings. What do you want to eat?
what is the one that looks like
Lumpia.
yeah, lumpia.
Lumpia vegetable. How about you, Cora? Coral.
It was fun. I got the barbecue chicken pork.
Nice. I'm so happy she bought like what food is it? Of course, the Filipino food. I forgot. Yeah, and we drink this one. Strawberry horchata. It's a first time for us and it's good. But you see that we eat at the beach and it's cold. Right? Yeah.
Oh, man.
Right. That's why we just like try to eat some food here at the car. And yeah, I'm happy it's not like crowded today. But still there's a lot of day. And yeah, today is like a happy day, and tomorrow is like 2021 now. It's so fast, right? Yeah. Are you excited? Yes, you're not. Are you?
I hope it's a good year.
Right?
I hope it's better than this year.
Me too. How about you, Carl? Right?
That's good.
That's true. Anyways, thank you everyone. If you're going to have questions, and subscribe, Eleana's everything. Be safe. See you next time. Bye. Thank you. Thank you everyone.